Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today we're working on this really pretty purple look using the LaColors Metallic Lavender Liquid Eyeliner. And let me tell you, this eyeliner is so much more bright and vivid in person and in real life than it is on camera. It's so beautiful. And we're going to be using a palette that we have not used in a long time. So first you have to prime your eyes, and I'm using Covergirl's eyeshadow primer. And we're going to use It Cosmetics Naturally Pretty Palette, Volume 1 Matte Edition. So first up, we're going to be picking up Violet, and I'm going to be placing that on the lid with an eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to pat that on there in no particular special way. We're just going to get it on the lid. This purple is actually very similar to the crease purple, which I was kind of disappointed in. Now next up, we're going to be taking All Heart and Soulful, and I'm just going to go between the two and use that kind of like a transition color. And this is the only time I'm going to be dipping in these two particular shadows here. I'm just going to work those in the crease, blend down the edges, and now we're going to be taking Iconic, and I'm using that for the outer corner and the initial crease shade. Now I think this look is very easy and simple, and I'm hoping that it's pretty easy to follow. I was pretty excited to dive back into this palette. If you don't own this Naturally Pretty palette, it's actually a pretty good palette to own. Especially if you're not really into bright colors and stuff. Like, it's such a nice palette and the shades are amazing, and we're just going to keep working that in, blending it out as we go. And right now it looks a little bit messy, but I'm going to fix that. And we'll just keep going through and picking up Violet and Iconic, going between the two and just building up all the shades. And I'm going to be blending down edges. And also, you guys, I made a little flub in this video. Apparently I thought I was recording towards the end, and I wasn't. So most of the video is just the eyeshadow. So we're going to be taking Sheer Joy in the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be applying that at the brow bone. I'm using that as my brow bone highlight. Now, very beautiful highlight shade as well. I flubbed, so I seriously thought I was recording and was not recording at all. So I'll let you know later what parts were missed. And I'm going to be taking the Transforming Pearl, and I'm going to apply that on the inner corner because the lid space is so kind of dark. You know, it needs some light drawn into the eye. So we're going to put that in the inner corner. And I really love how this look came out. I feel like I haven't worn a purple look like this in forever, and it used to be like one of my go-to looks. Look at them green eyes. So right around here is where the flub's gonna happen. So we're using the Milani Staple Eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Clean Out Your Waterline. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Brow Highlighter here in the waterline. We're using the Unshakeable Liquid Eyeliner. And then next up you will see, I think, a little clip of mascara. So next up we're using the LaColors Metallic Liquid Eyeliner. This is the lavender one. So beautiful. This is so beautiful. And I just like to have a little bit of black eyeliner on there, but literally these don't need any help. They're actually really good on their own, and I definitely urge you to try them if you find them at your Dollar Tree. It was 4 different shades at mine. So I'll be doing looks with all of them, and they're so beautiful. So here I'm using Rimmel's Extra Long Lash Mascara. And then you won't see me hold up the lipstick, but I'm using the Maybelline Beige Babe lipstick in 545, I believe is the number. And such a beautiful lipstick. Here's the finished look. And the setting spray was LaColors setting spray. And I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, but that's literally basically all you missed. And stay tuned for more tutorials. Don't forget to check the description box for a product list. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already, you guys. It means so much to me, and thank you always for watching.